is our XYZ. The X and Y is done already. And it's now doing the Z, covering on top. We print this one last time. Printing the cube now. I use a 0.06 thickness per layer and 50% brace. So it's gonna be sturdy. Well, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. It's almost born. We're completing the Z.
Yeah, it's considered born.
Yeah.
It's a long process finishing.
He's gonna meet his new brother and sister.
Benji and
The first and second print.
what is that they called? Cube.
Cube.
Calibration cube.
Calibration cube, yeah.
Two hours of printing.
2.5.
Like it's going to
Yeah,
finish,
It's gonna
but
be finished anytime
anytime soon. But the timer say it's going to be another 5
5
minutes. It's just smoothening the Z, which is actually already done. Really takes a lot of time, yeah.
A little bit more time. Maybe another round.
Oh, it comes another round.
Yeah. There's gotta be a couple more rounds. You know, left, right, left, right, left, right.
Today is we're using Anet A8
Plus
plus, and today is 23rd March 2022.
2022.
It's going to take so long. We're not fast forwarding the process,
Yeah.
just to show.
No, it's just outlining the Z.
Calibration cube. Our first calibration cube. This is Anet A8 with an
Using
Anet filament. We bought this Anet filament for how much, Yari? I don't know. Forget. Still nothing comes up yet. 450,000 and $30.
Yeah. The size of the filament is 1.75. Outlining the Z again.
Hopefully it's the last outline. It's been 1 hour and 59 minutes now.
1 more minute. Maybe the last two.
So we wait because it's only a minute.
Yeah, I think this is the last
Very
two.
slow.
And detail.
We're waiting for the process that the nozzle lifting up. Still waiting. Last minute.
Okay,
that's
it's done.
Nice.
Happy New Year.
It's born. The baby is born.
Gonna need a stick of some sort.
So there's something sticking
Yeah,
out there in
that's
the
right.
meiosis.
Yes.
You need to be careful, chop.
I know, just there
Yeah.
you go.
There's the poop. I can't see.
Yeah,
Yeah, there you go.
the white
Poop.
things. Okay, I think it's out. Still hot though, so I
Still
need
hot.
to cool it down.
Yes.
Okay, so I think I'll scrap it.
Oh, it's moving.
Mm-hmm.
Careful.
Wait, let's just move it here.
Yeah. Oh, you can push the table.
Yeah, I can push the table, but it's hot now, so.
Scrapping off.
There you go.
Okay, there you go.
Oh, still hot. Okay,
There
it's
you
warm
go.
now. Yeah, it's warm.
Yeah, it's warm. It's nice and warm, yeah. Now you have to scrap the islands.
Yeah.
Oh, you scrap. It's very soft.
Oh, there you go.
Oh,
Need to little trim this. Yes.
okay, we will trim it later.
Yeah.
Okay, so it is born.
Oh,
That's
still
the
a little bit
condition,
rough,
yeah.
yeah.
Yeah. So it's gone. It's born.
Yeah.
See, compared to the ship, how big? The benchy, how big it is. So X, Y,
And Z?
and Z on top. That's the size. So
Yep. There you go. We
2
have
piece
food.
for the day.
Yep. 2 piece for the day.
Yeah, our first print, yeah, right?
Our first and second print.
First and second print, yeah. Okay.
So, this is all for today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching, everybody. Don't forget to share too.
Anet A8plus.
With Anet filament.
With Anet filament. Thank you for watching.
Thank you.
Bloopers.
Kayaknya lebih anu sih, lebih apa namanya, lebih bisa rapi tuh, kikit.
Tar, akhirnya.
Sip.
Bloopers.
Kayaknya lebih anu sih, lebih apa namanya, lebih bisa rapi tuh, kikit.